Hello everyone, I am Jay Ved from National Academy of Defense Production. Please welcome to this presentation on digital marketing and e-commerce strategies. So today I will be taking you through how we can use digital marketing to drive online business and goals. So let's get started. So in second slide we have introduction. In today's world, business rely on digital marketing and e-commerce strategies to achieve their online goals. So, digital marketing leverages online channels like social media, SEO, search engine optimization, and emails to connect with customers, while e commerce enables direct online sales. Together, these strategies help business to increase visibility, attract new customers, and boost revenue as more consumers shop online. So, mastering these approaches is essential for sustaining growth and staying competitive in digital marketplace. Talking about e-commerce refers to buying and selling goods and service through online platforms. It has transformed the way business operate, offering convenience, a broader market reach, and reduced cost. From small businesses to global brands, e-commerce allow companies to expand their customer base and streamline transactions. So these are the key digital marketing strategies. First one is search engine optimization. It improves website visibility on search engines. Talking about facts, 70% of marketers says SEO generate more sales than paid advertising. Second one is content marketing. It focus on creating valuable content to engage audience. Talking about stats, 61% of consumer have made a purchase after reading a blog. The third one is social media marketing. It utilizes platform like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn to engage customers. Stats, 70% of marketers say social media marketing is effective for their businesses. Let's move on to e-commerce strategies that helps to business grow. First one is personalization. Tailoring the online shopping experience for individual customers, like showing the recommendation that increase conversion rates and customer satisfaction. Second one is mobile optimization. With more people shopping on their laptops and having mobile friendly website. In fact, mobile commerce now makes up 73% of total e-commerce sales. Third one is omni-channel strategy. This integrates various online and offline shopping's experience, giving customer a seamless experience whether they shop in store or online. Many businesses with an omni-channel approaches have higher customer retention. So it is very important to align both of these strategies, digital marketing and e-commerce. For example, to increase website traffic, business can focus on SEO and content marketing. To boost sales, they should use personalization and optimize mobile users. And to retain customer, an omni-channel approach and loyalty program work best for the organization. By using these strategies, business can grow more effectively and meet their goals. Let's take a quick look at Amazon, a great example of a company successfully using these strategies. First one is personalization. Amazon product recommendation generate 35% of their sales. Second one is omni-channel experience. Amazon combines online shopping with physical stores like Amazon Go. Third one is mobile optimization. Their mobile app makes shopping easy and smooth for millions of users. These strategies have helped Amazon become a leader in the e-commerce space. These are the emerging trends in digital marketing and e-commerce. First one is artificial intelligence in e-commerce. For example, chatbots. Second one is voice search optimization. In 27% of people use voice search on mobiles. Third one is augmented reality shopping. For example, the furniture store IKEA. So while these strategies are powerful, businesses can face challenges. First one is high competition. The online market is crowded, making it difficult to stand out. Second one is ad blockers. These limit the reach of digital ads, especially on websites. The third one is algorithm changes. The search engines and the social media platform consistently update their algorithms, making it hard to maintain visibility. Fourth one is cybersecurity threat. With online shopping, businesses need to protect themselves and their customers for data breaches. Fifth one is customer retention. It's tough to keep customer loyal when they have to so many options. In conclusion part, we have digital marketing and e-commerce strategies are essential for achieving online businesses and goals. Personalization, mobile optimization and omni-channel approach are key to drive growth and retention customer. As businesses continue to evolve, these strategies will play a bigger role in success. Thank you for your attention.